Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert Canadian dollars to US dollars in Wealthsimple. First, open the Wealthsimple app or website and log in to your account. On the main screen, tap or click Move from the menu. Select Exchange Canadian dollar and US dollar to start the conversion. Choose the direction, Canadian dollars to US dollars or US dollars to Canadian dollars, depending on what you need. Next, pick the account you want to convert from and make sure there's enough balance. Enter the amount you want to convert, then tap Continue. You'll now see the exchange rate, any fees, and your final converted amount. Review everything, and if it looks good, tap Submit to finish your conversion. And that's it. That's how to convert Canadian dollars to US dollars in Wealthsimple. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.